Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Your Always Teacher Asking for Parents, chapter 43. So here it is. Let's read the story. Tian said, "Don't say thank you to me." Right now, it seems that she was really flattering. Talking with Lu Shishao, making her calm down. Of course, Xiyuan, she was really grateful that she can help Lu Shishao. In terms of this, right now, she was weeping, although she was still crying. Lu Shishao, right now, she remained calm. It was itchy and crispy. Well, she was right. Of course, it was hard for her. Only the two of them, Nunu and her, already left in this world. That's why she was really overprotected of Nunu. Suddenly, she catched the hair of Xian. Well, right now, Xian is wiping her hair. Probably just want to see her. Lu Shishao is only looking at her. Well, it seems that, actually, I don't like others touching my hair, Xian said to her. I do not know. Well, she really let it go. Xian, to tease her so much. Of course, she was said, "You are the exception." Well, hearing this, Lu Shishao, of course, it was really fuzzled hair. Xian, she has a great hair. It was really long and shining. And it makes sense to Lu Shishao. It was really catching, that's why she wanted to touch it. I feel like you can be more bold, Xian said to Lu Shishao. Right now, Lu Shishao, she was still holding Xian's hair. But right now, Xian, she moved closer to Lu Shishao. It was acting like she was going to tease her so much. Suddenly, what is that? Shishao, she wanted to divert attentions. That's why she was feeling at loss right now. She was pointing on the books. It was a textbook's preparation. Such an obvious three V characters. Right now, Xian said to herself, clearly she wanted to change the topic. Now, Xian said to Lu Shishao, it was a prepared textbook. Well, hearing this, it makes sense to Lu Shishao. Just want to change the topic. Right now, Xian. Well, did she really find Lu Shishao a little bit tricky? This moment, of course. Xian said, prepare textbook. Almost every page is filled with writing. Handwriting is a little sloppy, but it's a spirit and form. Now, hearing this, it's Xian's style, grand and hearty. Shishao said to herself. Seeing Xian's penmanship, of course, it was flattering for her heart. As it looked good, Xian said to her. Now, she's caressing her hands. Lu Shishao said it was nice. Oh, at least right now, Lu Shishao know how to praise her. Well, I think it's look good too. Well, now, topics really changed. Two of them talking normally. Back to the show. Right now, Lu Shishao, she was sitting in the front, seat reserved for her. And now she's taking a video for Nunu. Nunu, she was dancing gracefully. Well, this is the first time that Lu Shishao seeing her daughters perform in the school. Because before, she was always busy. But right now, thinking about it, Lu Shishao thinks that my baby is so big right now. Well, she was right. It's been theory. Remembering the sacrifice and all the sufferings just to make a living and taking good care of Nunu. She went to the difficult times just to raise Nunu alone. Right now, it turns out all the pain did not go in vain. Nunu, she was standing out when she was performing. The mother and daughter have actually been dependent on each other for 12 years. Well, remembering this, of course. She was so teary, and now she feels so sad. Seeing her daughter performing, it was really flattering. Shishao, right now, at this moment, she was really enjoying seeing their daughter performing on the school today. Such a thin and gentle person. Well, it was Nunu, a young beautiful girl, also the daughter of Lu Shishao. How much hardship does it take to drag the child to this point? Well, remembering all of this, now, back to Lu Shishao house. Performance is already done. Nunu was calling her. She want to see Lu Shishao videos. Wait, mom will help you to take off your makeup first and sit down on the sofa. Right now, Nunu. She was really excited seeing the videos that Lu Shishao already taken. She need to follow her mom. Suddenly, the two of them getting interrupted. There is someone calling on her. Xian is calling at this time. Does he want to go to dinner together? Well, Lu Shishao was thinking. But it turns out James one. Oh, it turns out it's Wen Silong, the man who's helping her so much. Lu Shishao answered the phone and said, "Hey Silong, what's wrong?" Well, right now, it seems that he was a little bit disappointed. He was really expecting Xian, right? Are you at home? I brought the things for you. If you are at home, I will deliver to you. Go downstairs and get it together. Shishao answered when Silong and you will go out. Meet him right now. Did you run? Well, I opened the door. Shishao said to herself, seeing Silong outside. Why are you still special? Take a run and let me go and get it next time. Well, right now, seeing her, Nunu, she was really curious and greeting her uncle. Hello, Uncle Wen. Nunu seems to be close to Wen Silong. But right now, Wen Silong said to her, Nunu, you also looks good. Well, he was right. Nunu is really looking good. I'm inviting you to dinner tonight. I just plan to take Nunu out. Going to pick up friends at the airport later. Well, it turns out it was good. When the two of them seeing each other, Lu Shishao looked up on Wen Silong. It seems that the man was really busy. Well, Wen Silong was a good person, also a good friend of Lu Shishao. It is a year-end, Wen Silong said to Lu Shishao, and seeing her, when she turned back, it was Xian who was coming. Wen Silong asked Xian, "You are?" Now it makes sense to Xian. Seems to be puzzled seeing Wen Silong. Turns out she really noticed the man. Xian said to herself, "Is this man again?" Well, let's see what will happen next. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!